All right, so I really like this digital tire thread depth gauge because it's easy to use, accurate, and gives clear readings in both millimeters and inches. I was sent this tire thread depth gauge by Grenicel and I tested it on a few different tires. One tire gave me readings of zero point 0.8 and 0.79 inches, and another tire showed 27.9 millimeters and 25.9 millimeters. Switching between millimeters and inches is simple with a unit button, so you can measure your tire however you prefer. Using it is straightforward. You just press a gauge against a tire thread, and the digital screen gives an instant and easy to read measurement. The LCD display is large and bright, and the zero reset button lets you recalibrate anytime for accuracy. It also feels solid in your hand, and the probe slides smoothly into the grooves without slipping. It's great for checking tire wear on your car, motorcycle, or even for brake pad inspections. If you want to make sure your tires are safe and evenly worn, this Granacel tire thread depth gauge is a handy and reliable tool to have in your car or garage.